In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a website from Odoo. If you manage more than one site in Odoo, there may come a time when you no longer need one of them and want to remove it cleanly. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click so you can delete the website safely and confidently. To begin, go to your Odoo home screen. From there, click on Website to open the website management area. Once the website app loads, look for the configuration menu and click it. Then select Settings. This will take you into the website settings section where you can access more advanced options. Next, click on General Settings. On this page, scroll down until you find the option to activate developer mode and then click Activate the developer mode. This is an important part of the process because the website deletion option may not be available unless developer mode is turned on. If you don't immediately notice a change, that's normal. Just continue once developer mode has been enabled. After that, go back to configuration. This time, click on Websites. You'll now see the list of websites available in your Odoo instance. From here, select the website you want to delete. Make sure you choose the correct one, especially if you manage multiple sites, because deleting the wrong website can remove content and settings you still need. Once you open the website you want to remove, look for the gear icon and click it. This icon opens additional actions for that website. In the menu that appears, click Delete. Odoo will then ask you to confirm the action. Click Delete again to confirm. At that point, the website will be removed from Odoo. A quick tip before you do this. It's always a good idea to double check that the website is no longer needed since deletion is meant to be permanent. If the site contains pages, menus, or configurations you might want later, consider reviewing everything carefully before confirming the final delete step. And that's it. The process is straightforward once developer mode is enabled and you know where the website's menu is located. Start from the home screen, open the website app, go into configuration and settings, activate developer mode in general settings, return to configuration, open websites, choose the site, click the gear icon, and confirm delete. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.